Hi there, my name is Zeki Sarak, student number 19145503, and today I will be presenting my BattleShip game. So first of all, from main.java, I will be running the code. So the first thing that pops up on the terminal is that it's asking for the user to either wanting to load the ships from a file or to just have them be randomly placed on each cell. So I'll now say yes to load ships from the file, and it shows the locations of each ship being placed and if they've been placed horizontally or vertically. And it shows the size of the ships as well, as we can see one size of 4, one size of 5, one size of 4, one size of 3, and two sizes of 2. Then it's asking the user if they want to play the game either on a CLI version or a GUI version. So first of all, we will play it on CLI. And as soon as we type CLI, it's asking for coordinates from us. So, because I know the ships from the file, I'll just put the locations on here. So once I enter a location, it shows hit. Also, it saves that location on a grid status, so that it keeps a track of every coordinate you've entered. So I'll just put B1, another hit, C1, another hit, D1, another hit, E1, and once we sink a ship, it says you've sunk a ship. So we can see that we've sunk the size 5 ship. So now I will also be showing you how the game reacts when I enter the same coordinate again. So I'm going to put E1 again, and it says you have already hit this spot, so try again. So we have to put another code. So now I'll just continue sinking the other ships. So I'll go D4, hit, D5, hit, D6, and D7. So it says you sunk ship again, which is a size 4 one. And now I'll go and do the others. G6, H6, and I6, and then J8, J9, and then B5, C5. So once you complete the game fully, once you've sunk all the ships, it says game over and then tells you how many shots it took you to win the game. So now I will be running the game again, and this time I'm going to say no to loading ships from a file. I want them to be random, and I am going to, and it says ships has been placed randomly, and it shows our location again. And I'm going to click GUI this time, which is going to prompt me with a new page. So as we can see in this page, it's a 10 on 10 grid. So I'm just going to randomly select places to see if I can find the ship. And you can see on the console that it says miss, miss, miss. We got 1 hit. So 3 hits, we sunk a ship. There's another ship here. So there are some ships very close to each other. So we've sunken 1 5 ship, 1 3 ship, I assume, 1 2 ship, 1 4 ship, and there's only 2 left. But before we do that too, I'm gonna also show you how it works here. So when I click on one of the ones I already hit, it says you already hit this spot, you already hit this spot. And now I'm gonna find the final 2. I'm just gonna click random spots. And now we can see that it displays saying game over, you won in 83 shots. So it tells us how many shots it took us to win. And once I click OK, that's the end of the game as well. So that's how this GUI version works. Thank you very much for listening.